with an empty hand, and I wanted it filled with treasure. So I left my land and scrapped my plan for a love that has no measure. And I'd hear them say, go this or that way, followed maps that men had sold me. I did some time with the finest minds, but not one of them could have told me I was looking for you. Now we're standing at the doorstep of truth. Sat with all the schools, followed all the rules. I said every affirmation. I sang all the chants and drank all the plants in the hopes of sweet salvation. But I won't be safe sitting in a cave, no way to make it on my own. There's a light so bright and full of might that it can't be held alone. I'm gonna hold it with you. Now we're standing at the doorstep of truth. Bless my life with more of this, more of this, more of this. Bless my life with more of this, more of this, more of this. Bless my life with more of this, more of this, more of this. Bless my life with more of this and you. Standing at the doorstep of truth. Well, I hoped and prayed before my dying day to let go of what's no use. So let my hairs turn gray and fall away, and with them the follies of youth. Now I'm here with you. Standing at the doorstep of truth. Doorstep of truth. I am here with you. Standing at the doorstep of truth. I am here with
The feel of my hand on your hip when the sun comes up. You open your eyes and it looks like love.
Not quite sure, but
feels a lot like love. And when my hand finds your hand, and then 5 makes 10, 10 makes 1, and I wonder again.
not quite sure, but
Feels a lot like love. It started the summer of whiskey and purple rose. The sun gave us more to feel, less to know.
not quite sure, but
It feels a lot like love. Remember the taste of the sea and the salt and sweat. The way that your skin felt beneath that dress.
not quite sure, but
Feels a lot like love. Even when I'm off somewhere, trying to get lost in the darkness like I always do, there's you. We flow river to river, then skies turn from blue to black, till a beautiful boy smiled and the sun came by.
it feels
of mine, not afraid to miss all we left behind.
Not quite sure, but
Feels a lot like love.
Someday soon when life forgets you and the tide is on the rise again. When you lose me, take me with you. Lost, darling, got swept by the waves. So I'll say, have pity on the way. With a box full of nothing, we continue to stray. Lay down flat on the ground to remind you. Tangled in wires, I'm chained to the horse on a merry-go-round. Calm me down, stop that and fuel the fire. Come sit next to me and be dust from the start. When my world is on your shoulders, I'll be up but down again. Cry you a river, I'll make you look older. On my knees, I'll beg you to stay. Count me out to carry you away, 'cause I've taken off, yeah, the close in the gate. Watch me crash to the ground just to show you. Save me, I got tangled in wires, I'm chained to the horse on a merry-go-round. Calm me down, stop that and fuel the fire. Come sit next to me and be dust from the start. One might say it's us against the world, and I throw it at you, that same old drunken slur. I love you, I love you, I love you. Save me, I got tangled in wires, I'm chained to the horse on a merry-go-round. Calm me down, stop that and fuel the fire. Come sit next to me and be dust from the start. Someday soon when we get older, you'll be stardust too.
life comes in waves, it has highs and lows. It comes crashing down and it hits hard below. There's good and the bad, but sometimes it's too dark to see the light that shines back to who we are. And pain, it always comes around, but the love we have has a louder sound. And I don't know where we're going, but as long as I am with you, I will be just fine. You are my light on the dark side, and anytime it gets too hard and I feel like I've gone so far, you are right. They're waiting patiently to save me. This world can be cold, making us feel alone, fearing all of the unknown. Scared of life, of the things we can't control, of the hurt that can come from a broken heart and soul. And pain, it always comes around, but the love we have has a louder sound. And I don't know where we're going, but as long as I am with you, I'll be just fine. You are my light on the dark side. And anytime it gets so hard and I feel like I've gone so far, you are right. They're waiting patiently to save me, to save me. 'Cause you are the piece of me that I could never lose. You help me heal the parts that were broken into. I never ever want to go our separate ways. So all I ask of you is just to stay. To stay. 'Cause as long as I am with you, I will be just fine. You are my light on the dark side.